Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Venmo account onto Uber Eats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and once it is opened up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password or other credentials. Once you have been logged in and taken into the home page where you can directly place your order, in order to add your Venmo account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Wallet. You will now see the Add Payment Method option. Tap on this button and then tap on Venmo. You will then be asked to log into your Venmo account using the Venmo application. Just enter your Venmo credentials and proceed forward to logging into your Venmo account. And once you are logged in, you will be asked to allow access. Once you allow access into your Venmo account, it will be added as your payment method, and now you will be able to use your Venmo account in order to top up your Uber Cash wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your Venmo account onto Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.